सो अगर क्या हो रहा है, कहता है फिजियो का वाइवा है।
हाँ।
व्हाट, वाइवा कौन सा है?
हाँ।
कहता फिजियो का वाइवा भी है। मैं तो पढ़ा नहीं। तो बड़े प्यार से उन्होंने पूछा मुझसे, बेटा क्या वो पढ़ा नहीं? नहीं सर नहीं पढ़ा। कहते क्यों? सर
एनाटॉमी पढ़ा था। ओके।
आई यूज्ड टू बी बैक बेंचर, पीछे से क्वेश्चंस पूछता रहता था। उन्होंने एक लाइन बोली थी, जतिन कर रहा है या तो क्वेश्चन पूछता रहेगा या सोता रहेगा, ये चुपचाप नहीं बैठ सकता।
Sir, how was your experience at AIMS? You were an SR there, and I'm sure AIMS must have given you a lot of exposure.
AIMS helped me groom into medical, मतलब all of them what I am today, thanks to Dr. Ajay Roy Chaudhary.
10 small cases with double the amount of money, or one big case with half of the amount of money?
10 years ago, 10
Okay.
cases was a big amount
Okay,
of money.
okay.
Now the one case, even if it's free of charge.
क्योंकि आपके फादर आप बता रहे हैं he's practicing as a dental surgeon, so you also had this opportunity कि आपने BDS कर लिया है. आपको कब लगा कि oral surgery में मुझे MDS करना है? Hello everyone. Welcome to the first edition of the Leaders Lounge, where we showcase the eminent faces in the world of dentistry. और आज हमारे साथ हैं none other than Dr. Jatin Kalra. Just a quick introduction to Dr. Jatin. Dr. Jatin is a maxillofacial surgeon, implantologist, if you consider that separate from oral surgery. And sir has done his graduation from Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences. Sir was All India rank 6 and he had his hands on every branch, every seat, and sir chose oral surgery. He's done his PG from GDCH Amritsar. After finishing his post-graduation, sir was a senior resident at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. After doing his residency, sir started his own private practice, and today undoubtedly he is one of the kings of oral surgery, at least in the northern parts of the country. तो बहुत मुश्किल से हमने सर से रिक्वेस्ट करके एंड सर obliged to sit with us here, and thank you so much sir for coming here and talking to our students. Sir is also married to Dr. Rekha, who's a prosthodontist, and ma'am is the head of department of prosthodontics at Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences. And sir has a portable OT in his car dicky, which he takes places, or sir many clinics to which he is associated. And I think sir आप हर तरह की oral surgeries करते हैं, whatever comes to his way, like trauma, implants, minor surgeries, even clefts, head and neck. So he's very fond of head and neck surgeries, reconstructions, cancers, and everything. So sir, did you always wanted to be an oral surgeon? अगर oral surgeon नहीं तो क्या मतलब? What was your dream?
You have seen that movie Three Idiots?
Of course.
My dad was a dentist.
Okay.
So there's a character named Farhan, played by that guy, Uday Madhavan.
Yes.
So there was a dialogue over there when he was born that father said, Engineer Farhan.
Correct.
So my father's dream was like that only.
अच्छा.
So it
Okay.
was like the moment I was born, so he said, ki, हाँ, this guy is going to be a dentist, Dr. Jatin Kalra dentist.
Okay.
Because he was a dentist, he couldn't complete his BDS, so he was a registered practitioner.
Okay.
So he
Okay.
always wanted me to step into his feet.
Okay.
So when I was growing up, so it was like he always get mesmerized by the other branches, and like I had an ND over there, the guy. So I was always liking Air Force, like I'll fly fighter planes and do the
Okay,
things and
okay.
everything. And then suddenly one day, my father took me to his clinic.
हाँ.
He said, "Ki beta, I brought this clinic to this place. Now I want to take it to the further height
Carry
by
on.
BDS."
Okay.
So being an obedient son and all those movies का effect कि पापा की बात ठीक है,
सुननी
okay, I'll
होती
be a
है.
dentist.
अच्छा.
So that was like 9th or 10th. So
Okay.
he used to take me every summer vacation at his clinic only.
Okay. Okay.
So I used to watch him कैसे करते हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. तो like from the booming of the clinic and mopping, I started from there basically with him.
Okay. Okay.
So then I graduated and he said कि बनना है dentist, तो ठीक है, I started preparing for it.
Okay.
93 I passed out 12th, and 93 I got selected for the DPMT also and All India also.
Okay. Okay.
So DPMT was waiting at that time, and like my father wanted me to go to Mumbai. GDC Mumbai was used to the best over there.
Okay. Okay.
So first
I think you also went to Mumbai for a
I
few
went
days.
there for a month or so. Then father said कि okay, he was feeling very lonely and other
Okay.
things, and there was some bullying in Mumbai also. So I said okay, better change.
आपके टाइम पे तो रैगिंग वगैरह भी बहुत होती होगी
Physical
सर.
ragging at that time, तो
अच्छा.
गंदी वाली होती थी, but
अच्छा.
ठीक है. It
ठीक
was
है.
good, but by the time it was settling down, so I always regret कि I think should have stayed there only because the college, those were more professional as compared to Delhi.
Okay.
When I came to Delhi, this was not MAITS. This was like Dental Wing, Maulana Medical College,
Correct.
spread over like 2 floors only. But over here, the best thing was it was a small batch. Teachers were friendly, and there were a lot of patient load.
Correct.
Well, before you go over there in third year, there was a list for you to be done in every department. So we learned on the patient only. Because teachers were also very small faculty was there. So they were always like they were doing the clinical work also, teaching also, and it was like okay, do learn whatever you want to. Nobody stopped us
Correct.
from doing anything. If you can go convince them, if they take your viva, you can convince them that you know this procedure. So they always take it.
Allowed you to do it. Yeah.
So it was like so that was a good grooming over there, where we could learn everything on the patient by learning from the book and asking our doubts about it. So it was not a very professional way of teaching that in other institute that happens always. You have to take a class, they will be taking the classes and everything. So more like a practical.
More of a
training, like we
clinical.
have in
More
the
of a
PG,
clinical.
like
Correct.
in the PGs
Acha.
also. You are studying, you are watching them, and you are doing it.
Correct.
So it was more like that. So it was a good experience.
Very good
overall.
experience,
Yeah,
correct.
MAMC was the transformative for my life.
Okay. Okay. So were you a very obedient, nice, good student या पंगे वंगे लेते रहते थे वहाँ पर क्योंकि सर्जन में वो होता है ना तो पंगे लेने वाला
Never, never.
Okay. Any stories you remember, sir? Any interesting?
There's many.
Okay.
First till I remember, it was like when you came to MAMC, I came there in Maulana Azad at I think in October end
Okay.
93. So within a month there was a small center exam, some midterm exam.
Okay.
So everybody was like hover anatomy. First year I think there's nothing except for anatomy, always like that. So there was a physiology practical next day. So I just read the HEMAT and everything. Uske baad I just started studying anatomy. So my next day when I was there, so somebody called for roll number 1. Mine was 10.
Okay.
So I was.
You quite remember certain facts very
I tell you
nicely.
that then you remember why I'm remembering this.
Okay.
So I thought क्या हो रहा है? कहता है फिजियो का वाइवा है.
हाँ.
मैं कहा what? वाइवा कौन सा है?
हाँ.
कहता फिजियो का वाइवा भी है. मैं कहा मैंने तो पढ़ा नहीं. कहता कोई बात नहीं देख लेंगे. मैं बाहर के डॉक्टर A.K. Jain, he's a physiologist.
हाँ.
and good-
Yeah, his books.
also
हाँ. His
very
books
good
are very
teacher.
popular. Yeah, yeah.
So वो बैठे थे सामने. He asked me first question about renal system. I survived.
Okay.
Second question, I managed to answer. Very simple question, sir.
Okay.
Third question, I flunked out. I never read it.
Okay.
So बड़े प्यार से उन्होंने पूछा मुझसे, बेटा क्या हुआ पढ़ा नहीं? And I was like, दिल से सच्चा बच्चा ना.
हाँ.
नहीं सर नहीं पढ़ा. कहते क्यों? क्या कर रहे थे? Sir,
Anatomy पढ़ रहा था. Okay.
So this anatomy word was like a taboo at that time in front of any other faculty except for anatomy.
अच्छा. Okay.
So he like कहता है ना बलात्कार करना वो
Oh,
तो
God.
मुझे कुछ करना नहीं है. एनाटॉमी तो होती है, फिजियोलॉजी क्या करना है, बॉडी का क्या होता है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. मैं सुनता रहा. I was humiliated. तो मैं चुपचाप, and it was my fault, not his fault.
Correct.
So what happened that result came. So the second lowest was 10 out of 20,
Okay.
and mine was lowest, that was 0.
Oh, really?
So it was like okay, no worry, but I passed because the theory was fine.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then what happened in final? I topped in physiology.
Okay.
So that was university topper. At that time, then they were announced annual day. If you remember in MAMC annual day, they always announce the prize.
The
list, you know,
toppers. Yeah, yeah,
everything.
yeah. Of course.
So I didn't get either the silver nor the gold.
Hmm.
So I was surprised. I talked to Dr. Mahesh, my boss, Dr. Mahesh Verma. He said, go and talk to them.
हाँ.
So I went to physio head. So उनको बोला मैम मैंने टॉप किया बट मुझे मिला नहीं कुछ. कहती बेटा ऐसा होना तो नहीं चाहिए. कम टू मी टुमारो. मैं देख के बताती हूँ.
Hmm.
So next day गया मैं कहते must be some mistake, they correct it.
Hmm.
So I went कहते आओ बेटा अंदर बैठो. She went कहते बेटा you remember this gold medal and silver medal, not the university, this is overall performance. मैं कहा yes ma'am. बेटा ये दिख रहा है 0.
Oh.
That was really I remember.
Oh.
उसके बाद भी it was like कि हाँ I used to study. एक नॉर्मल करिकुलम ना वो आगे बैठ के मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. तो I was studying and पढ़ रहे हैं सब कुछ. I used to be a backbencher. पीछे से क्वेश्चंस पूछता रहता था. And टीचर like डॉक्टर हरप्रीत गेवाल, she was an orthodontist.
हाँ, yeah.
So, उन्होंने एक लाइन बोली थी, जतिन कर रहा है या तो क्वेश्चन पूछता रहेगा या सोता रहेगा, ये चुपचाप नहीं बैठ सकता.
Okay.
So the people were like, अच्छा कुछ बोल रही है तो जरूर सो रहा होगा पीछे. They actually caught me sleeping also sometimes.
Even I remember I was punished once just for sleeping in endo class, but yeah, I can totally get it. जितनों ने करियर टॉप तक पहुंचाया है, लास्ट बेंच पे बैठ के एक बार जरूर सोए हैं वो अपने उसमें. So okay, so very interesting story, sir. तो you've told us about your school, your college. तो आपको क्योंकि आपके फादर आप बता रहे हैं ही इज प्रैक्टिसिंग एज अ डेंटल सर्जन, सो यू आल्सो हैड दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आपने बीडीएस कर लिया है, अब मैं प्रैक्टिस में जा सकता हूँ. यू हैड योर ओन क्लिनिक आल्सो. व्हाट मेड यू डू एमडीएस एंड कब आपको लगा कि
This
मुझे
was the first time only. मतलब my father always wanted me to do MDS, and
Okay.
I think I always wanted to do.
आपको
जब
कब
मैंने
लगा
went
कि
to
ओरल सर्जरी में मुझे एमडीएस करना है?
when I went to GDC Mumbai, na, at that time in Maharashtra, it was always the PCB aggregate. There was no entrance exam.
ओके, हाँ,
So
गुजरात
admission to
महाराष्ट्र
MDS, or sorry, MBBS or BDS was depending on your
12th
PCB marks.
एग्रीगेट. या
So the PCB जिनका कम है, and obviously at that time dentistry was always a second choice. There were very few people, like mostly the son or daughters of dentists only,
Correct.
who were opting for this because otherwise there was no exposure.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
Dentist का way back in 90s,
Correct.
there's not very glamorous thing at that time. So, but that guy came who took a 1 year मतलब motivation class for those people. Yeah, तुम don't feel bad about it that you're doing dentistry. There's so many things in this, head and neck cancer, oral surgery करते हो, you can do cut and everything. So I was fascinated by the surgery.
बाय
the
सर्जरी
surgeon.
इन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स.
हाँ, तो at that time I
अच्छा.
realized, okay, my dream now is to do
कुछ
BDS.
काटने और सिलने को मिलेगा.
Okay, but I'll go to UK, I'll do FDS, RCS, MDS, oral surgery, I'll do it here, I'll do head and neck cancer. So it was like, I was holding in like onco surgeon, cancer surgeon.
Correct,
That was the
correct.
first seat when I thought about doing MDS in oral surgery only.
ओके,
nothing else.
वेरी अर्ली सर, मतलब
That
फर्स्ट ईयर इटसेल्फ.
First year itself. And afterwards, always like surgery.
करेक्ट.
It is something na, that gives you a, मतलब that closest you come to a medical field otherwise. Like
Correct.
in the movies also, the surgeon is considered something like a god-like
ग्लैमरस, हाँ,
figure.
वेरी
Other things were like small. अच्छा ठीक है ये भी करते हो, ये भी करते हैं, medicine भी हो जाएगा. Surgery was something pinnacle.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
So there were, but I think you must have read Iris Segal Doctors. तो उसमें भी सर्जरी पर्सोना एक बहुत अलग सा बनाया हुआ है. Those are like toughest people.
Thrill, हाँ,
that thing and
correct,
everything.
correct.
So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
was the thing.
ओके, सो यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी एन ओरल सर्जन और एमडीएस करनी ही करनी है.
MDS करनी
तो
करनी.
कैसे तैयारी करी सर आपने? कैसे, मतलब उस टाइम पे कैसे होता था सर आपके टाइम पे?
BDS के बाद उस समय ना there's not much in Surat. Small unorganized sector. The people were there who were like taking the courses and classes.
Okay.
I never joined it. I topped in my final year. तो उसके बाद I used to study with my friends जो MBBS के friends थे.
ओके.
तो हम इकट्ठे पढ़ते थे सारे. तो उस समय था कि हाँ MCQs पढ़ रहे हैं, you're talking a theory and you're talking about it. I was talking about a lecuna also कि हमारे जो अपने courses है ना उसमें there's no organized teaching
करेक्ट
and there is no organized person over there who can give you everything.
करेक्ट.
अब तो हमारे पास टेस्ट पेपर्स आ रहे हैं एवरीथिंग. उस समय द ओनली टेस्ट पेपर जो अवेलेबल वाज अमेरिकन नेशनल बोर्ड, इफ यू रिमेंबर.
हाँ, नेशनल बोर्ड ऑफ
नेशनल बोर्ड के
डेंटिस्ट्री
टेस्ट
के
आते
भी,
थे
हाँ,
पूरे, वो आते थे और
एनबीडी
साथ में कुछ एक एमसीक्यूज की लास्ट 10 इयर्स और 5 इयर्स
प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस की. वो भी पीजी की होती थी, मैं मतलब मेडिकल के ज्यादा होते थे.
मेडिकल के ज्यादा होता था जिसमें तुम
अमित,
देखते थे,
आशीष,
हमारा
मुदित
थोड़ा-
खन्ना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. या
सो वो सब होता था. तो उसमें ये लेकिन लाइक दिस इंस्टीट्यूट लाइक दिस दे वर नॉट देयर एट दैट टाइम.
करेक्ट.
So we used to study. We used to attempt the question. We used to like ask our seniors कि आपके पास पुराने साल के वो पेपर्स पढ़े हुए हैं 10 years, 5 years, 8 years.
खुद arrange करके और सब कुछ.
सब कुछ. तो उससे ज़्यादा प्रिपरेशन होती थी सारी. It was not like very organized कि आपको सब कुछ एक जगह
एक जगह मिल रहा है ऐसा. कोई सीनियर सर और एनी इंस्पिरेशन यू हैड कि भाई मुझे इसको देख के इनके जैसा करना है?
मेरे जब मैं स्टडीज कर रहा था 3rd ईयर तो वन ऑफ माय फैकल्टी मेंबर ज्वाइन डॉक्टर संजीव भाटिया.
ओके.
He was alumnus of MEMC only from
Okay.
the first or second batch. Then he did his PG from KGMC.
ओके.
So when he came in, my first posting was gone. 3rd year posting हो गई थी. उसके बाद वो आए थे. But he transformed the department. A proper sterilization. I think I was scolded. मेरे cousin का उनको मैंने बोला था सर inspection करनी है. तो he asked me to take the first step from outside and bring it to minor OT. I went outside just
उठा के ले.
उठा के गया, अंदर गया. So that was my second बलात्कार that day. In front of my cousin. And the other friends मतलब जो the post people from my batch only and they were all like smiling अच्छा ही है. तो that was the first time I got about the idea of sterilization and everything.
करेक्ट.
So he was an inspiration because that guy was very fine. मतलब he was composed, meticulous in surgeries, everything. A good human being. So it was like हाँ यार this is the
Sir
guy
के जैसा
I'm looking
बनना है,
forward
yeah,
to.
correct.
This is something we get inspires you. Because my senior batches they were friends of mine, but they were more interested towards ortho or prosto surgery. इतना नहीं लेते.
इतना पैशनेट, इतना तब ट्रेंड भी नहीं था सर ऑनेस्टली, क्योंकि
मतलब उसमें like ortho was topper.
the top most.
The topper will take ortho.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
And mine was sure कि मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगा ortho नहीं करूँगा because वो wire bending मुझे
एग्जैक्टली सेम सर.
doesn't look like कुछ है.
वो शायद आज भी इट इज टू मच फॉर अस.
So तो बाद में हुआ तो एवरीथिंग लाइक कि हाँ यार अब मुझे आता है, सब कुछ कर लूंगा। एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू, तुझे तो आराम से मिल जाएगा, तुझे सब आता है। दे यूज्ड टू आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस, मैं आंसर करता था, तो इट वाज लाइक हैप्पी, हाँ सब कुछ ठीक आता है। Right.
I'm sure Dr. Bhatia is proud of you wherever he is and
He
is
is in
looking.
States right now. Matlab, went out, he went to States, he did DDS, then he did MS surgery.
Okay.
So he's practicing there.
Okay. Sir, how was your experience at AIMS? You were an SR there, and I'm sure AIMS must have given you a lot of exposure.
Names helped me groom into a medical, matlab, all of what I am today. Thanks to Dr. Ajay Roy Chaudhary.
Okay.
He was a great mentor. So when I went to him, to like, okay, that's a small department over there also. We have one OT. Thursday's OT was there, so GOT was there, minor surgery we used to do over in the clinics only after the OPD. There are so many cases, and it was like sometimes we used to do trauma, minor trauma in OT. So I said, sir, let's do trauma in OPD. ये तो मैनेज हो जाएगा। मैं कहा ये सर हो जाएगा, ओपीडी करते हैं और ऊपर हमें ना फिर ज्यादा एरिया मिलेगा अपने अदर सर्जरीज करने के। लाइक द आइडिया,
उतना कॉन्फिडेंस आपको आ गया था एसआरशिप तक कि यार इतना मैं मैनेज कर लूंगा।
कॉन्फिडेंस मुझे हमेशा रहता है, मैं कुछ करूँ ना
Correct.
तो मैं कर लूंगा।
कर लूंगा, करेक्ट।
To be a good surgeon,
हाँ।
there are 2 or 3 things required. The first and foremost is thorough knowledge of anatomy.
करेक्ट।
Because first year में anatomy हम रटते हैं,
रटते हैं, हाँ, तो clinical कुछ नहीं है।
What is the reason? मतलब at times used to argue, साला मुझे fibula का क्यों पढ़ना है when I'm doing oral surgery?
Exactly, this is
और
what-
I have to scroll surgery क्यों करना है? Because उस समय समझ नहीं आता।
Correct.
उस समय like okay पढ़ो पास होना है। When I came in first year oral surgery, then you realize कि what an anatomy is.
Correct, correct.
And then you understand anatomy because
Right.
those are the clinical and practical application of that anatomy.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
So first is thorough anatomy of knowledge, and secondly opening how to do it precision like a pin, an artist कि कहाँ पर जाना है कितना जाना है.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
And third and foremost is guts in your ass that whatever you open you're going to close.
You're going to close without making the patient dead.
So these 3 things were there. So it was always like this. It start from here only, and
Correct.
in a surgery over there सर के साथ it was like this कि okay I just do it. Okay हम नीचे कर लेंगे, इसको यहाँ करेंगे, ऊपर से। तो he also liked the idea, and afterward we were happy because smaller cases we were doing in the OPD area, and then major cases we were doing in OT.
करेक्ट।
And then
You also
like,
started the first orthognathic surgery आपके साथ ही स्टार्ट हुई थी, आई थिंक।
सर टीसी वाइट स्कॉलरशिप करके आए थे, तो उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि ऑर्थोग्नैटिक करनी है अभी।
Okay,
So
okay.
it was like I think way back in 2005.
ओके, ओके।
एंड ही सेड कि अच्छा हम ऑर्थोग्नैटिक करेंगे। मैं कहा, ठीक है सर। फर्स्ट के सामने पूरा प्लान किया, डिजाइन किया, एक चीज फ्रॉम द स्टॉप, लाइक वी लाइक जस्ट इट वाज नॉट लाइक वी बॉस एंड ऐसा, इट वाज जस्ट लाइक टू
Colleagues
टॉकिंग
and
टू
yeah,
ईच अदर। जतिन
yeah.
इसको ऐसा करेंगे, मैं कहा सर इसको ऐसा कर सकते हैं, अच्छा ये बर चाहिए, हाँ सर मैं लेके आऊंगा, हम बर लेके आएंगे, विल गेट दिस थिंग एंड दैट थिंग। नाउ ही देन फ्रॉम दैट ग्लासगो, सो देयर दे हैड सॉज एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड हम यहाँ पे एम्स के अंदर हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था, एंड सॉ वाज लाइक स्ट्राइकर, सॉ वाज 8-10 लाख,
वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, यस, यस।
तो सर ने इंडेंट तो डाला था, बट वो अभी साल 2 साल
Approve
लगे थे।
नहीं
अब
हुआ,
कैसे
हाँ।
करेंगे सर? हैंड पीस से करते हैं, बिल्कुल पतला वाला बर। देन हमने एक वो स्कल लेके मैंडिबल में विच ट्राइड ओवर देयर कि हाँ इसको बर से कटता है नहीं कटता है।
ओके।
सो देन डी
पूरी mock surgery करी, सब कुछ।
मॉक सर्जरी मतलब किसी और मैंडिबल में
हाँ, हाँ,
देयर
हाँ।
नो लाइक 3D प्रिंटिंग एट दैट टाइम।
ऑफ कोर्स।
So we did it, and he did. Well, first side he did, and suddenly said, "Yatin, do the second side." And I was like all grateful to him that he told me. He didn't took her.
Your guts become double.
Otherwise, he could have come over there कि हाँ मैं करता हूँ first case
Right.
कुछ खराब हो जाए, तो it was his reputation what was at stake. I was just an SR,
Of course.
but still he was so magnanimous and he was so मतलब otherwise कि नहीं you कर and we do it together. So it went perfectly fine. हम लोगों ने सिर्फ एक OT केस लगाया था. We started 9 and we're like thinking all है पंगा होगा, ये होगा, ICU में शिफ्ट करेंगे, इंट्यूबेट ना करना पड़े, blah blah blah. 12 o'clock we were 3 and 1 o'clock we were partying.
You were partying. Wow.
So that was the
What an
time.
inspiration.
नहीं, sir was there. He was always supportive.
Correct.
So whatever you used to do, अच्छा तुझे ऐसा करना है, इसको कर, इसमें यहाँ करते हैं, हम यहाँ करते हैं. So it was like a colleague, we were developing a strength. That's why when the first PG came, it was in 2007. तो curriculum डिजाइन किया था, तो हम लोगों ने उस हिसाब से डिजाइन किया था कि whatever the best we can fetch from all over India, we're going to give our PG. That was the first time in the PG, like in the otherwise in the final year, if you know practical, you always ask to about to take out the wisdom tooth.
Impacted tooth,
But
yeah.
in our case over there, it was submandibular incision
Submandibular
and
incision,
exposure.
yes, that is, yeah,
that
that is
something
probably
that
AIMS is the
never
only,
done.
AIMS is the only institute in the country जहाँ पे PG एक submandibular incision करके approach करके
हाँ,
दिखाता
वो
है, which
दिखाना
is commendable
Because
actually.
that is one thing. Look, okay, oral surgery we're doing. We are making you an maxillofacial.
Maxillofacial also, yeah,
So
yeah,
the
yeah.
maxillofacial things you have to well, open up.
Correct.
In the PG time, you don't get everything. You generally get to close up, not to open up.
Correct. Very true, sir.
Sutures किया, अपने patient को shift किया, बाकी सब किया.
Correct. Correct.
But in this, that was the first exposure for the student कि हाँ, let's do it. Because after this, you'll be on your own. So you must know how to open it also. Closing, you have learned.
Correct.
So
Very
that
true.
was something. मतलब, we wanted to give them a boost. कि, yeah, you can do.
You can do it.
That's
It's a very, very something to
all
learn.
thanks to sir,
मतलब,
मतलब, you always open up. Yeah, just come and learn, come and do.
I think यही एटीट्यूड सर का भी है मतलब इवन आई हैव बीन सर्स स्टूडेंट एंड लर्न सर्टन केसेस विद सर एंड ही इज ऑलवेज अबाउट टीचिंग मतलब कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी नहीं है मतलब छोटी से छोटी चीज़ यार ब्लेड अगर मंगवाना है तो इस कंपनी का मंगवा ले बेटर होता है एट एवरी स्टेप ही विल गाइड यू ही विल टेल यू अबाउट यू नो स्मॉल थिंग्स इन योर प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो फाइनेंशियल थिंग्स फॉर अ सर्जन सो hats off sir for that.
It's always at the end of it's the patient welfare.
Correct.
And on the other thing also, like you come out and there are people who criticize you. तुम्हें आता नहीं है, ये नहीं आता है. The first thing is कि nobody is like हम अभिमन्यु तो नहीं है कि हमारे अर्जुन ने सुभद्रा को पेट में सुखा दिया तो उसको सब कुछ आ गया है. तोड़ लिया. Whatever we have learned here.
Correct.
So you are going to learn either way. So if you are learning, why not learn in the correct way?
Correct.
So it was like if the mistakes which I committed, the support I did not get, I always want कि आप इसको ना इस तरह से कर सकते हो.
Correct.
Try it.
Correct.
It's not like something which is like patented to me. I also learned from the other persons.
Right.
उनको पढ़ा, उनका देखा, काम किया, उसको mix up किया. So it's just like pass it on so that you don't have to.
Everybody doesn't have to make the same mistake to learn.
Do new mistake, learn from it, pass it on to the next generation.
Correct. Very true.
आपका first surgery अगर खराब हो जाती है बाहर आती है तो it like a dam.
हाँ, definitely.
So sometimes you are not able to explore the maxillofacial. You become an oral surgeon only.
Correct.
Impaction कर लिया, implant कर दिया, छोटा मोटा. उसमें भी बड़ा में जाते हो डर लगता है कि पता नहीं कुछ पंगा ना हो जाए. Why not? मतलब my thing is कि no doctor in his own mind harm the patient otherwise.
हाँ, correct.
कोई
Very
intention नहीं है. So it's like your intentions are pure. Do it right way.
Very true, sir.
At the end, the faculty will grow, the surgery will grow.
Correct. Very true, sir. So आपने इतना सारा 3 बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से डिपार्टमेंट से बहुत कुछ सीखा बट अल्टीमेटली यू वर लाइक अब प्रैक्टिस करनी है देन उस टाइम पे सर यूजुअली क्या होता है शादी वादी हो रही होती है सारी चीजें मतलब देयर इज करियर देयर इज फैमिली सो that is a very मतलब that's a very crucial time when you have to balance a lot of things you have to balance family life you have to make your own career so आपका कैसा रहा वो if you don't mind sharing कि how was
balancing तो कुछ नहीं होता है इसमें
अच्छा okay
all these words मतलब ये last 5 years में अच्छा balance and social life and everything
but you have to manage everything you have to manage everything together
to prove yourself कि हाँ भाई कैसे करना है कैसे ठीक करना है and at the same time give time to the family otherwise also
correct and not restrict कि भाई इतना ही कर सकता हूँ
we should also understand वो हमेशा होता था sometime okay I'm starting in the morning I'm coming back like 11 o'clock in the night and break hours of sleep ठीक है कोई गुस्से में है कैसे मैं तो आई यूज्ड टू यार देख अभी ना करना है
correct
because we have a kid and I'm just starting there is nothing with us we don't have any bank balances we don't have any house we are living in rented accommodation I don't want to pass on the kid so okay Sunday I'll try कि मैं घर पे रहूं but rest of the days I can't spare मतलब बीच में I used to take out time कि अच्छा oh just my son कि इसको कुछ क्लासेस करनी है तो मुझे ऑलवेज था कि यार इसको सब कुछ आना चाहिए जैसे अपना होता है लाइक व्हेन यू आर ग्रोइंग अप बहुत सारी चीजें देख के अच्छा लगता है फादर बोलता है ये नहीं कर साला पढ़ अभी इस समय सो माय
एटलीस्ट एक्सपोजर तो देना चाहिए
एंड एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी आई ऑलवेज वांटेड हिम टू गो इनटू स्पोर्ट्स आल्सो मतलब नॉट एज अ करियर इफ यू वांट यू कैन गो एज स्पोर्ट टू स्पोर्ट्स करियर बट हां यू शुड गो आउट बट द स्पोर्ट्स इज वन थिंग दैट गिव यू अ team spirit
correct
and leadership skills because you have to tackle on everything of the opponent with the team completely your only effort won't matter
correct
but sadly मतलब उसको इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता था स्पोर्ट बट हाँ आई यूज्ड टू टेक हिम फॉर द क्लासेस तो like 2 days a week I used to take off in between 2-3 hours I used to come back used to pick him up for take him for the skating classes
okay that's the balance you created between work life balance
ये इसको करते हैं रात में जब आया तो he was awake तो we were talking watching movie together late night.
Sir has done it beautifully. I mean, his children are Olympiad winners, and they've already been. His son is in class 12, already selected into many universities. So, उन्होंने अपनी जगह सर आपको देख के बनाई है. I'm sure they'll do great.
मुझे देख के तो सोच रहा है कि डेंटिस्ट नहीं बनना है. And I never wanted to be. मतलब ठीक है, if you want to be whatever you want to do, but do it with passion.
Correct, correct.
Like whatever I am, some people say कि there's no scope right now. इतने सारे dentists हैं, इतने सारे surgeons हैं, इतना सारा ये हम क्या कर लेंगे उसमें? Open up the practice, क्या करना है MDS करके? So always take a boss. Whatever I am, I'm because of this oral surgery and
Correct,
dentistry.
correct.
So first thing is कि equip yourself जितना ज़्यादा कर सकते हो.
Okay.
Whatever best you can learn, learn it. And whatever you do, do with a true intent and passion. Success will come.
Success will come.
If you're thinking about success only, कि नहीं मुझे बस पैसा कमाना है, इतना करना है, तो that's a wrong approach. You may earn money, but somewhere you won't be satisfied for that.
Correct.
So it has a मतलब success and the money earning balance.
Correct.
Some people are successful, they're not earning much money, but some people are earning too much of money, but they are otherwise not good in their work.
Not good in their work.
So
Very true,
prefer
sir.
to be good in their work, earn less money as compared to the
It will
other
follow.
way.
It will follow.
Money
Of
will
course.
always follow. I
Correct.
always say, I started from where and where I am right now. You're telling a king and everything. So like, thanks for that. I never
No, so
consider
that's
myself like that. and I think
that's
common
not
thing.
because sir, if you see sir's cases, I mean, he does full mouth rehabilitations, he does patient specific implants, and he's a pioneer. मतलब first time अगर किसी ने किया है, at least North India में, which we know and done it properly. I mean, many people have tried and failed and not tried again. But sir has synced up with the right people. He does, and prosthetic work. I mean, it would not be wrong if I say that he does it much better than so many prosthodontists out there. And I mean, it's something to learn from. I mean, he's learning himself. I think you learn every day. He reads every day, I'm sure. He reads very often and he knows the latest articles. He knows the latest things which is going on. So, I mean, it's commendable, sir. I mean, जो भी आपको सुन रहा है आज, I mean, those who are thinking that 1 year of NEET preparation or 1 year of drop is very tough for them. I mean, life is full of challenges.
I'll tell you one explanation for that.
Yeah.
When I was doing studying at that time, I will said कि मैं हो जाएगा तो मैं भी हवा में आया हुआ था. Like I was like, I'll do it.
मैं तो top किया है.
I'll crack it. नहीं, I used to answer the questions of my MBBS friends also, physiology and biochemistry. I used to teach them sometimes.
Okay.
So, but आप हवा में आ जाते हो. So I was like that, हाँ हो जाएगा. Before my first exam was PGI entrance exam at that time. It was in May '98. So one day before, my father and mother came to me meet in the hostel. कहता हाँ बेटा अभी तो PGI देगा, उसमें हो जाएगा तेरा, फिर एम्स देगा, तुम PGI छोड़ के एम्स ले लेंगे, फिर एम्स में करेंगे. मैं भी हाँ बड़ा, पापा भी ऐसा सोचते सब ठीक. So next day I gave exam over there. So in the night result used to come. तो रात में हम गए. So I was nowhere in the first 10.
Okay.
My rank was 127. I still remember.
Okay.
So it was like, हाँ अब तुम जमीन पे आ गए हो. I was so frustrated कि यार ये क्या हुआ मतलब हवा में. And at that time I never realized कि questions क्या हैं. The biggest mistake we always do is कि हम question पढ़ते हैं ना, उसमें if you see there's always not or except लिखा होता है, वो
ध्यान ही नहीं देते हो.
फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़ा और वही क्वेश्चन हमने अपने MCQs में पढ़ा हुआ था, तो बस ये आंसर होगा. Choose the right answer. हाँ ये आंसर.
बाकी ऑप्शन भी नहीं पढ़े.
ऑप्शन भी नहीं पढ़े. So that was the gravest mistake we do.
Correct.
So I came back frustrated. ये क्या हो गया? Then after a few days there was AIMS exam. So AIMS I थोड़ा समझ के दिया, तो my rank was 27.
Okay.
So at that time लगा हाँ ठीक है.
तब सीट्स भी कितनी होती थी? सीट तब
AIMS में 2 सीट्स थी.
दो
PGI में 2
सीट.
सीट्स थी.
Oh,
Because
okay.
all
with
all
an
India.
okay, okay.
So then I started studying again. Then I started studying seriously. मतलब everything was there. Minutest of thing. उस समय I used to learn कि okay this is the right answer. Why the rest 3 are not correct? And which is the more appropriate also. But sometimes what happens कि they give you the right choice of MCQ. But they'll give you one more choice out of the rest 3 which you haven't seen, which is more apt.
Correct, correct.
So you never learned about it, you never saw it. So why the other 3 were wrong, and what is the more apt choice for this?
Maybe a new drug or something
new
like
drug or
that.
something.
Yeah.
तो वो पढ़ना शुरू किया. So उस समय it was like this was fine. So AIMS November and again came. So I gave the exam. So again I wasn't selected. That time I was frustrated. मतलब why I was.
पढ़ के भी नहीं हो रहा है अब तो.
So it was like नहीं अब मुझे नहीं करना, मैं दोबारा AIMS दूंगा, because that was like a prestige issue now.
Correct.
Why I didn't get selected? So I said I'm not going to give any other exam. मैं ऑल इंडिया में नहीं दूंगा, मैं BHU भी नहीं दूंगा. So उसके बाद I was going around the Rekha at that time. We were like seeing each other. So she and father literally pushed me कि ना ऑल इंडिया दे के आओ. So I gave all India 99. तो 5 दिन के बाद हमारा BHU एग्जाम था. So रात भर we were like playing रमी. मॉर्निंग में ट्रेन में पहुंचे. वहाँ पहुंचा एंड एग्जाम दिया. सामने एग्जाम, पता नहीं एग्जाम पे बैठा, देयर वाज समथिंग इन माय माइंड यार बहुत मैसअप कर लिया, एग्जाम तो ढंग से दे दे। ऑल इंडिया भी मैंने लाइक 130-140 क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट किए थे, उसके बाद तो मैं चल हो गया, बहुत होगा। सो दैट टाइम हुआ, मैं कहा अच्छा एग्जाम ढंग से दे दे। सो आई फिनिश द एग्जाम इन लाइक 35-40 minutes एंड
Okay.
मैं वहीं सो गया। एग्जाम टीचर कहता है यू कांट लीव बिफोर 1 hour or so,
Okay.
सो एटलीस्ट slept off क्योंकि रात भर जागे हुए थे। सो केम बैक, उसके बाद फिर लाइक 25 Jan 26 Jan हॉलीडे रिजल्ट, वो टेलीग्राम आता था घर में।
Okay.
फादर सेड यू हैव टॉप्ड इन VHU। देयर
Okay.
वाज ओनली वन सीट, उसमें उस समय देयर वाज वन एंडो वन प्रोस्तो,
Okay. Okay.
सो यू हैव टू ऑप्ट, तो यू विल
Okay.
कंसीडर फॉर दैट सीट ओनली।
आपको तो सर्जरी चाहिए थी।
तो वो उसमें था ना, एग्जाम दे रहा था, उसमें था कि कुछ भी कर लेते हैं, देखते हैं। अब
हाँ।
लाइक कि ठीक है पापा के साथ है, उनके क्लिनिक है, तो मैं कुछ और करता हूँ।
चलो।
सर्जरी
Okay.
में फिर वो लड़ाई होती रहेगी, ये करना है वो करना है, तो मैं कुछ और कर लेता हूँ। सो मैंने एंडो भरा था उसमें। सो एंडो हुआ, पापा कहते इसको ले लो जाके। सो आई थिंक मैं एडमिशन लेने गया, वापस आ गया, और मेरा जाने का मन नहीं था, मुझे एंडो नहीं करनी थी। सो आई गॉट टू, रिजल्ट आया ऑल इंडिया का 13th रैंक आई गॉट इन दैट टाइम।
Okay.
सो आई वाज देयर आल्सो, मैं कहा मैं इसमें कुछ और ले लूंगा एंड उसके बाद मैं छोड़ दूंगा उसको। सो मैंने उस समय GDC मुंबई अगेन सामने आया, उसमें प्रोस्थो थी, ओरल सर्जरी आई नहीं आई थी सीट, वो स्टेट कोटा ओपन होता था उस समय।
Okay. Okay.
सो मैंने कहा अच्छा, और मतलब प्रोस्थो वाज गुड ओवर देयर, इम्प्लांट्स बहुत होते थे, इम्प्लांट्स करते थे, एंड डॉक्टर
अच्छा।
सविताराम वाज अ लीजेंडरी पर्सन।
Okay.
मैं कहा वो ले लूंगा, बट उस समय मेरे दिमाग में ना आई यूज्ड टू हैव नाइटमेयर्स, मैं प्लास्टर खोल रहा हूँ,
Exactly.
वायर बेंड कर रहा हूँ, ENT बता रही, सॉरी एंडो वाला आराम से कर रहा हूँ, नहीं नहीं आई कांट डू दिस।
I can't do this all my life.
So I left that PG also. I opted for it. I never went over to take admission.
Okay.
I left VHU endo also.
Okay.
PGI exam came again.
Okay.
Now this time I topped in PGI.
Okay.
I was second in PG entrance and I was topper in the house of exam.
Okay. Okay.
So मतलब for house of there was a separate exam. also.
Correct. Correct.
So I went over there. So he asked, okay, you mean offered pedo? Like I don't want. Although reserve है, although नहीं है. But I don't want. तो वहाँ डॉक्टर चाह रहे क्यों ऑर्थो करनी है, पीडियो नहीं करनी, वो पीडियोडोंटिस्ट थे। मैं सर आई डोंट वांट टू डू ऑर्थो, आई डोंट वांट टू पीडियो, आई वांट टू डू ओरल सर्जरी। कहता पर इसका एग्जाम तो नहीं हुआ। मैं कहा आई नो सर, लास्ट टाइम आई गिव एग्जाम आई वाज 127, सो आई वांटेड टू प्रूव माय सेल्फ। कहता अब क्या करना है, मैं कहा सर हाउस जॉब चाहिए। कहता उसका सेपरेट एग्जाम है। मैं कहा सर उसमें टॉप किया मैंने। सो आई डिड हाउस जॉब
अच्छा, in PGI also. Okay. Okay.
पैसे चाहिए थे, जेब में पैसे नहीं होते थे, पापा से कब तक मांगो, यू लाइक 21-22, तो यू फील ashamed asking father for money. So I did 4 months over there,
Okay.
came back, gave AIMS again, I was second in that, then I gave All India again, I was sixth, then I opted for oral surgery because I always wanted कि
Okay.
मुझे oral surgery करनी है,
Okay.
and selecting 2 other fields, और उसके बाद फिर समझ आया कि नहीं I am for oral surgery.
Only for oral surgery.
So it's always not about 1 year. This 1 year उस समय बहुत बड़ा लगता है, but if you see in your whole life of 70 or 80 years, when you're a very small minuscule thing,
Very true.
लास्ट में ना there should be a regret कि यार ये कर लेना
कर
चाहिए
लेता
था
था।
और नहीं किया, because it's like sometimes frustrating। BDS के अंदर भी आसपास हो चाहे इतने सारे लोग हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, you feel demoralized also कि यार ये करना था। Every field is crowded in medicine, in dentistry, there's
Correct.
no single field जिसमें there are no people. Everywhere there's so many people.
Competition तो है ही।
Competition तो है, तो you have to prove yourself. So my first is कि always do PG, always equip yourself. Because sadly in BDS nowadays, you're not getting much exposure about the patients also, about the clinical scenarios also, about how to manage life also.
Correct.
So do your PG, there's no problem. And do whatever passion you have. It's not like कि अच्छा एंडो बहुत चल रही है, एंडो में बहुत है तो एंडो कर लो।
हाँ।
If you don't like endo, you won't be able to do it. So don't think about those things. And secondly, I used to teach people way back in 2006, 7, 8
हाँ।
for oral surgery.
For PG entrance
PG
also. Yeah.
entrance.
Yeah.
So I used to ask कि तुम्हें क्या करना है? तो there was one simple question यार, सर रैंक आ जाए फिर देख लेंगे जो मिल जाएगा।
हाँ. That's
Never do
very.
that.
So that's very common, sir. Honestly, that's very common. Even now, it's very common.
Don't be a beggar. Be a chooser. When other people have done it, you're not the first one to crack it. You're not the first one to reach the Mount Everest. There are many people who have done the why they have the same kind of brain here.
Correct.
कोई 500 ग्राम सबके पास है।
सही बात है।
500 ग्राम को तुम भी यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो।
सही बात
Don't get
है।
demoralized. Just think about कि what मतलब basically fascinates you.
Correct.
It may be oral radiology also. It may be oral
Yeah.
pathology also.
Correct. Very true, sir.
So do it. मतलब if you love those blue and white, red and stains, do it. There's no problem. You'll find your way. You'll be successful. बट आपको वो अच्छा लगता है इंस्टेड दैट यू आर डूइंग
Just
प्रोस्टोडोंट।
because everybody else is doing
हाँ, क्योंकि
prosto.
प्रोस्टो के अंदर क्राउन होते हैं, इम्प्लांट्स होते हैं, क्लिनिक के लिए अच्छा रहता है, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो यू विल बी एबल टू मतलब जस्टिफाई दैट।
Do very great at it
So it's
also.
always like whatever you best, whatever your passion is, do it.
Correct. It's great, great, sir. It is related to our next segment also. There are some student questions. There are a special set of students who have actually given me a lot of questions.
Okay.
और उनमें से students के we've chosen a few questions for you, sir. And the first thing is that one of the students said that my BDS seniors, just by doing BDS, they've started doing implants, they are doing Botox, they are doing RCTs and everything. और उनको देख के लगता है it is better to start clinical work than waste your time for 3 years in PG, and because you have to come back and do the same clinical work. Those who are doing a general dental practice. So, पर मन करता है कि पीजी करूं, बट व्हेन यू सी द ट्रेंड, आप अपने सीनियर्स को देखते हो कि वो बीडीएस करके भी दे आर अर्निंग वेल. आई थिंक दिस इज ट्रू इन tier 2 tier 3 cities also, सर, जहां पर यू कैन सेटल. सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट, सर? मतलब इज रियली एमडीएस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट?
See, this is all that's it's a state of mind.
Correct.
What you want. Again, you're seeing the other person also कि वो क्या कर रहा है. Normally, what a trend has been set in the last few years is BDS कर लिया, आपने open कर ली practice, and everybody else is अच्छा मैं क्या करूँ? फिर they're like fly by the night courses.
हाँ.
2 days 3 days course, आपको botox सिखा देंगे, आपको skin कर लेंगे, आप you कर सकते हो laser करो. You gotta think, okay, 2 days 3 days implantology course. उसमें आप क्या, then you start doing it. I've seen the people who are like registered practitioner, not even BDS, they are doing it. It's like कि how well you do it.
करेक्ट.
You want to equip yourself with the proper knowledge, or you want to just run after money by doing a substandard work.
करेक्ट.
For that also, if you're doing some implants, so what you're doing implants, आपने पूरा सीखा नहीं, पूरा पढ़ा नहीं. So what you're doing, आपने दूसरे को देखा, आपने करना शुरू कर दिया. So your knowledge is not complete.
करेक्ट.
For that knowledge to be complete, again you have to study.
करेक्ट.
So you are studying at that time with the time management. Why can't you study first?
करेक्ट. करेक्ट. Why don't you organize your
I
study?
remember one of my friends, I used to visit him. I still visit him for the surgeries and everything. This guy did his BDS. Then he started his practice.
Okay.
He was in love for endo. थोड़ा practice किया, थोड़ा हुआ, लोन लिया. He bought a microscope also.
Okay.
Way back, like आज से 8-9 साल पहले.
Okay. Okay.
He was doing good. Then suddenly he joined a PG. So I asked him PG in endo. Why? तो बस मैं कर रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ भी आगे बढ़ने के लिए, अगर मैं कोर्सेज भी कंडक्ट करता हूँ या कुछ और सीखना है, तो आई नीड अ पीजी डिग्री.
करेक्ट.
सो आई हैव टू डू इट. मैं कहा बट योर बॉसेस ओवर देयर मे नॉट बी हैविंग ऑल दिस थिंग. दैट्स डन, बट हाँ, आई नीड फॉर माई सेल्फ नाउ.
करेक्ट.
आई एम डूइंग इट. सो अब जैसे आप अभी देख रहे हो कि वो बीडीएस करके भी उन्होंने अच्छा कमा रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं. कल को इफ यू सी सम एमडीएस गाय हु इज डूइंग गुड
Next to your clinical practice.
अच्छा आपने क्या किया? अच्छा आप तो खाली बीडीएस हो. अच्छा वो एमडीएस है. तब आपको लगेगा साला मैंने उस समय बीडीएस, व्हाई डिडंट आई डू माय एमडीएस?
MDS. Very true.
If you remember, initially like in the 90s, there used to be one family physician. आपके मोहल्ले में एक डॉक्टर
हाँ,
था,
सब चीज की दवाई देते थे.
BMS और MBBS.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
Used to मतलब for anything,
करेक्ट.
right from the common cough and cold to the piles.
Correct.
We used to visit him.
करेक्ट.
वो
वेरी ट्रू.
बताता था, सब ठीक हुआ तो उसके बाद he used to refer कि अच्छा अस्पताल में दिखा लो या show it some hospital. They're not big corporates at that time. Slowly the corporates coming in. Now those MBBS doctors have become obsolete.
करेक्ट. मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स हैं खाली वो.
खाली मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स, वो भी गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में है, बट देयर इज नो पर्सन प्रैक्टिसिंग अदरवाइज.
करेक्ट. वेरी ट्रू.
The only good name you'll listen is the people who are old time practitioners.
Very true,
Who've
sir.
practiced for last 50-60 years because they have built a persona and rapport.
Correct.
And they're good in their clinical judgment. That's why they're surviving. But any new person who's coming in after doing only MBBS, so they find themselves a very receiving end.
करेक्ट.
Nowadays, if you also want to go, अच्छा मुझे कोल्ड हो रहा है या मुझे हल्का सा, पहले तो होता था कोल्ड है कुछ, अच्छा अब मैं रेस्पिरेटरी सब.
अब यू लुक एट सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट, नॉट इवन
पेन हो रहा है. पहले तो एमबीबीएस था, फिर वो पेन के लिए अच्छा चेस्ट में पेन है, फिर एमडी आया. अब यार कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट को दिखाया जाए.
करेक्ट.
नाउ दे आर लाइक ओके पेसमेकर लेना तो इलेक्ट्रोफिजिसिस्ट इज गोइंग टू डू इट.
Correct.
लाइक यू आर सुपर स्पेशलाइजेशन.
करेक्ट. वेरी ट्रू.
डीएम देन डीएम आफ्टर थिंग. तो सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग टू आवर डिपार्टमेंट आल्सो.
करेक्ट.
पहले डेंटिस्ट्री वाज जस्ट डेंटिस्ट्री, दांतों का काम करना है, क्या होता है. नाउ द चेंज इज चेंजिंग. Now people, if they're getting RCT done, are you going to do it or some specialist?
Specialist was going to do it. Correct.
Similarly, over the surgery, you are going to do it or some oral surgeon will come and do it. And who is the surgeon?
Correct. And they will Google the surgeon
हाँ,
also. They'll Google the surgeon
मुझे
also.
patients बताते हैं because I don't have a practice, I'm a clinical consulting practice. My patients tell me, sir, we searched about you Google. मैं कहा, still you came to me. Yeah, that's why we came to you. You got such a good rating. मैं कहा, I never checked my rating otherwise. But हाँ, but let's get an insight because everybody is now connected to net and everything.
Correct.
So they try to do it. So
Correct.
today you might, that I said na ki, go for the study, whatever your passion is. My friends were there, out of a batch of 20, only 3 or 4 went for PG. Rest of the people, they opened up their practice. They're happy that way. वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, they are also successful in their own terms. So it doesn't like कि हाँ, I did something better than them, so I'm doing accordingly.
Correct.
I restricted myself to surgery, so I'm doing surgeries only.
Correct.
So it's up to you totally, what your passion is. Don't see the other persons also.
Very true.
It's not like you just see the success story. Then out of one successful BDS guy who's doing all the things, there might be 10 others also who are not able to do anything.
Very true, sir.
And जो
Same MDS के लिए भी है शायद, but हाँ.
otherwise also, मतलब एक होता है persona create करना. मैं ये भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं वो भी कर रहा हूँ. I've been to many clinics inside, तो I know कि वो कुछ नहीं कर रहे होते.
Very true, sir.
दिखाने
That's
की
very
मैं ये
true.
भी करता हूँ, मैं वो भी करता हूँ. That's the thing. So it's totally up to you. मतलब my thing is कि equip yourself with the best knowledge. At our time it was like MDS and DNB. So DNB was the highest degree. So I took DNB also. I cleared DNB also.
Okay.
And there's
Okay.
nothing left to study. Then I started to practice.
Practice. Okay.
So it was
After like.
equip yourself. आपको books में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा हमेशा मिलेगा. You'll always learn.
Correct.
And instead of like jack of all and master of none, it's better master of one and master it properly.
Master it properly.
So that's the
Correct.
best thing.
Very well, sir. One more question which is there is, I think it's related to your story. My father is a dental surgeon in Bhopal with good practice. Should I do MDS or should I do an ortho course and start with him because he does everything other than ortho?
Do MDS,
Do MDS.
also, and then do.
Then join his practice. That's all.
Course is like fly by night. आपको जो 3 साल में सिखाया जा रहा है, वो कोई nobody can teach in 7 days.
Correct. Very true.
You'll
sir.
have to study there also. अगर आपको अच्छा, like I was talking about two of my friends who are practicing, one in Gurgaon, one in South Delhi. They're doing ortho themselves. They learned. उन्होंने पहले कोर्स किया, but they then started studying also. I used to teach, मतलब डॉक्टर हरप्रीत ग्रेवाल taught me ortho. Because मुझे इतना पक्का था मुझे ऑर्थो नहीं करनी है, तो मुझे सीखना था, ऑर्थो करने के लिए you need ortho.
You need ortho, right?
So I learned ortho from her. But if you are doing a dedicated course for 3 years, in there everything you have been taught and you have been cases and your cases are being critically reviewed by your peers and your teachers. So
That's much different than.
one of my, like Dr. Harpreet was talking about, her husband is a renowned orthodontist. He's practicing in North Delhi only.
Okay.
His son, मतलब he's a good practice, ortho as well as general practice.
Okay.
Very good practice. His son did his BDS, but he made him sure that he do PG in ortho. If you want to do ortho, if you want something else, you have to do PG.
At least PG should be
So
done.
he did his PG in ortho because he liked ortho. Mother, father, both orthodontists.
Correct.
He became orthodontist. Now he has joined his practice.
Correct.
Now he's learning other things also. He stands with him, he does the ortho work and he learn about the other because like he said, his father is a dentist in Bhopal, so he must be doing everything else also.
Correct.
So if you're like want to take over his practice, so someday along with the regular practice, you need to communicate with the patient about the other things also.
Right.
Maybe you can grow your practice that much, you don't require the other patients, but you can appoint consultants for them,
Correct.
you can hire consultant
True.
to take your
To
practice
keep
to a next
practice
level.
running. Yeah. Very true.
एक है कि तुम सब कुछ कर रहे हो, एक है कि आपके पास दूसरे डॉक्टर्स भी है ना. सर you can, it's like all you how to market
How
your
to
practice.
market and कैसे आप manage कर
Yours
पा
is a
रहे हो?
root canal treatment. We have a good endodontist coming here. My father used to do, I can do, but he can do better than me.
Correct.
So for your benefit, I'll advise this thing.
Correct.
Same thing over there. Same thing in the orthodontics also. There's so many things like daily you'll be getting, now you're talking about it, courses. आपको तो कोई course करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. There's so many aligners company like coming every day. Okay, we'll come to you.
Just scan
it,
and do it.
आपको करें. The only thing you have to convince is the patient. But to convince the patient, you should know how to do it.
Correct.
It's not like कि अच्छा 15 दिन में आपने appliance change कर दिया. It's always better to equip yourself. And if your father is a good practice, you're not about to bother over the money also because financial he'll support you at that time.
Correct. Very true.
So when come taken the reins, whether your father has taken took the clinic to a certain height, you must grow it again.
Grow it ahead. Very true, sir. One of the these are two PG student questions, that any foreign course or any foreign university you suggest for oral surgery that they can do after their PG is over, or
There are many fellowship programs nowadays. Like AOMSI also, those also got a fellowship program. Post
trauma
AOMSI,
ka, cleft ka.
trauma, cleft, मतलब whatever good eminent surgeons are there who are actually with a hospital or practice over there. So they have become the teachers, so that you can go over there, hone your skills for the 1 year fellowship over there also.
Correct.
And that's good. But there are many good orals. If you are doing oral surgery only, so you must have known how good mentors we have in India also nowadays.
Correct. Very true.
So you can just join with them. Otherwise, you can always apply for this TC-wide scholarship, or there are many fellowship courses being run by the other countries in other countries. In US or otherwise, they don't allow you to operate on the patients over there. You can go
Then
there as a
observe
fellow, observe, and you can come back. There's no problem. And like during your PG, you'll be meeting many mentors and associations, annual meetings and PG conventions. The mentors who are coming from abroad, you can just be in like personal touch with them. So they can also invite you over
Guide
there.
you in cases and all. So, but that brings us to the next question, sir. I think this is a very relevant question. Awareness in India for maxillofacial surgery is not very good among patients, at least. So, this student said that I've done my MDS in oral surgery. My seniors have done fellowships. Some have done in cleft, trauma, ya onco. But they are ultimately doing maxillofacial surgery only and are not able to get jobs or get a proper place in a hospital for these particular specialty or super specialty niche things. So, should I start practicing as an oral surgeon only? I think that depends on how they take their practice and how they want to grow it. But because there is a neurosurgeon, there is a plastic surgeon, and there is a maxillofacial surgeon who is there in the hospital. And it is a very good overlap between all these three people who will, try to kind of fight for the case that is there. So if you really want to be a part of the corporate or be a part of the big setup, not a government setup, but a private setup, how do you think that this student can, make a place there if he wants that kind of a life? Ki bhai, mujhe corporate mein, I am a big hospital doctor and I want to do my practice. So should I go for fellowships? Is it worth it? Because those who have done it are not there.
See, in this there's a different thing. Like you're asking something question from my life only. Like 2007, I came out. So there was nothing. I was on road. Was kicked out by my father because of difference between how I think and how he thinks.
Okay.
Okay. बाहर निकल अपने हिसाब से कर तुझे जो करना है. So
Okay.
I was thinking I'll fail, I'll come back. But unfortunately fortunately also I succeeded.
Of course, sir.
So it was like at that time also I always wanted to head and neck cancers. Nothing
Okay.
else. Matlab, my first passion was oncology.
Okay.
So I attended fellowship courses Amrita also. I talked to many people over there also. He said कि हाँ तू आजा वहाँ पे कर सकता है fellowship कर सकता है. At that time, for head and neck onco surgery, you required MBBS. Without
Okay.
that, at that time, matlab, it was difficult.
Okay. Okay.
So like in Amrita also, they said you do your MBBS, you can come over, Hali MDS, then you have to give an exam and do it. So at that time again, it was like I have a family. My
Correct.
wife was there and my son was there. So suddenly leaving everything and just following your passion over there with a meager income. So that was difficult. So I said, okay, I'll do something outside only. So I came out at that time. It was like I was approached by a person who was like running a department of dentistry in Fortis Hospital.
Okay.
They're also not practically doing much things. They wanted, one of my JR was posted there. Matlab, she joined there. So she suggested my name. They approached me. So I built up the maxillofacial department over there. After 1.5 years, 2 years, I left. I never liked the corporate culture of making money.
Correct.
But I always wanted to do head and neck surgery. So it was like, okay, this was a decision for me also at that time. Ki, should I join corporate or should I do oral surgery? So things turned out that I wanted to be my own boss. Ki I want to do things my way. So I started doing consulting only. In the consulting, whatever cases were there, I had felt a need for the hospital. So I took attachments and the inpatient rights for a smaller nursing home.
Okay.
Okay, some patient come for a GA, a trauma है, GA में करना, TMJ है.
What about the risk that is involved in smaller setups, sir? Because अगर आप,
It's yours.
it's our risk.
It's yours. You have to. That's why I said ना कि I learned intubation also. कल को कुछ पंगा हो मुझे नहीं पता anesthetic.
Any scary case or any most stressful case that you remember, sir? Many again. That's how people learn and that's how leaders learn.
It
Maybe.
was like that time also I just came out of AIMS. So it was in like 2007. A patient came to me. It was like the patient was like TMJ ankylosis, spondylotic ankylosis was there. Not only. He had torticollis, something like this. COPD patient.
Oh my God.
TB, well, post-TB,
Post-cox.
COPD, chronic smoker.
Oh.
So we went to AIMS and he said it's inoperable.
Okay.
So it's not that it can't be done. So somebody in AIMS gave my
Gave your name.
assistant over there कि Dr. Jatin के पास जा इनको कर देंगे. So he came to me and I was actually scared seeing the case, and that was first case, and they were like, I designed the whole process, how you have to do it. So it was like, okay, you can't move the neck because torticollis है. So okay, I designed कि मैं पूरा body shift करूँगा. I took admission.
फाइबर ऑप्टिक वगैरह तो कुछ होता नहीं उस टाइम पे.
मैंने उस समय chest physician ढूंढा, he had fiber optic. So I
Okay.
asked him to come and do
Okay.
the intubation. Anesthetic
Okay.
से बात की. He said कि okay, we'll do the intubation, आप इसमें कर लोगे तो. So the whole night I was awake,
Okay.
designing the surgery, doing mock also. In the morning, आया the physician came, इसने ट्यूब कर दिया. ट्यूब करने उसने बोला कि बॉस उसमें जब बैंड है ना, there's a mass over there. So
Okay.
might be biopsied also and everything over
ओके
there.
ओके. कहाँ पे? फेरेंजियल लेवल.
Pharyngeal level, जहाँ पे
ओके
बैंड था
ओके
उसका,
ओके
ट्रैकिया में.
ओके.
So ठीक है, but the case went actually fine. Everything was perfect the way we wanted it. I opened it up. Mouth opening was 3 fingers and everything went perfectly fine. Patient was intubated. I told them not to extubate it for the
Correct.
next 24 hours. We're slowing it to wean out.
ऑफ कोर्स.
The main anesthetist went off. The junior anesthetist was there. I came back home. So after 3 hours, I was like stepped, and 3 hours after there were 3-4 calls. I went back. The patient, they extubated the patient.
Oh,
the
God.
patient had cardiac arrest. They just
Oh
revived it.
गॉड.
But I asked him why you did it. कहता है, boss वो it was that junior said initially also was saying that
He looked fine.
patient is fine, take it out. मैं कहा नहीं boss बिल्कुल मत करना. I've seen those many problems happening in AIMS also.
करेक्ट ऑफ कोर्स.
So कल morning में why did you take it out? बॉस पेशेंट ठीक था, वो अपने हाथ पाँव मार रहा था. मैं कहा मिडाजोलैम होती है ना उसको देने के लिए, दे देते उसको, सो जाता दोबारा. नहीं वो MS came and when MS came he said कि सब ठीक तो है निकाल दो. मैं कहा whose patient was this, mine or MS?
करेक्ट.
Then they were all so because everything was going wrong for them. So I told them that was the first lesson I learned. If you're going to outside build a team properly,
Correct.
you can take responsibility because at the end the case is yours.
करेक्ट.
Like for you also, if you go in the hospital now, there's a next like plastic surgeons and ENT people and surgeries. Those people were there before you.
करेक्ट.
Even if in a surgery hospital setup you go in an oral surgery department, there are many oral surgeons also there behind before you.
करेक्ट.
So if you have to make a mark, like otherwise also in a trauma case, the first call goes to plastic surgeon, general surgeon. You can also give a name attached over there. You can give your name over there. But it's like you have to be available for that.
करेक्ट.
If you're available there, they'll call you. You have to make your mark. You have to start from a scratch. Maybe from the negative also. Because other peoples are there. But it's not like my friends are there who are like associated with the Medanta also. They're part of surgery team over there. Head and neck कर रहे हैं, इकट्ठा मिलके कर रहे हैं. Trauma आ रहा है, उनको बुलाया जा रहा है, साथ में कर रहे हैं. So it's like हाँ,
वो rapport बनाया
inch
उन्होंने.
up the ladder over there.
करेक्ट.
Corporate, I never liked corporate, so I never went to corporate. I had offers over there, but I never wanted.
करेक्ट.
It's like all the financial game. मतलब they take all the chunk and responsibility and the minor thing are for you.
एवरीथिंग इज फॉर यू.
Everything is the responsibility is yours, but not the money. So it was like,
Correct.
if I'm taking the responsibility, so I should be the one who is like benefiting.
बेनिफिटिंग फ्रॉम इट. वेरी ट्रू सर.
So इसके लिए, if you think कि हाँ, the people who are not doing it, these kind of sad stories you will always hear. कुछ नहीं होता है इसमें, हमें ये करना था, अभी याद कर रहे हैं. मुझे भी कई बार लगता है यार, I wanted to head and neck. I'm doing implants, and like trauma, minor trauma and everything. But when the case comes, so always discuss with the friends and I will try to do it. You are not doing it yourself. Your friends might be there who are in a corporate setup. You can just talk to them. उनके अंदर जाके, like I used to do shadow surgeries. They are there. Okay, boss, admit under you. I'll come and do it. Just for you to like quench your surgical thirst.
करेक्ट.
So it's
तो
not.
जिसको मतलब रास्ता बनाना है वो अपना रास्ता बना ही लेगा.
My first thing, follow your passion.
Follow
What
your
you like.
passion.
If
Correct.
you like the thing, just keep on doing it. Now there's doctor, I think Dr. Patel, Nihal. He's in Gujarat, Surat. This guy liked TMJ. So he's become like pioneer in TMJ arthroscopy. You must have heard about
Yes.
Dr. Patel.
यस सर.
उसने अपना इंस्टीट्यूट बाहर खोला हुआ है, हॉस्पिटल बनाया हुआ है, सेटअप बनाया हुआ है. Because he was passionate about this, so he's doing it.
करेक्ट.
So there's always, it's like you always find a way. पुरानी there's a saying in Hindi that काम ना करने के 100 बहाने हैं, करने का सिर्फ एक.
एक ही बहाना है.
So it's up to you what you want.
Very true, sir. So then we'll quickly go for a very fun rapid fire thing. You have to answer very quickly. Okay, sir? Should we start?
Yep.
Okay. Whatever things come to your mind first, you have to answer without any embargo. If you had 100 crore rupees today, what would you do first?
Built a new setup, hire the people over there and just enjoy.
Maxillofacial surgery setup.
Maxillofacial.
Okay. What's your favorite food, sir?
घर का खाना, दाल चावल, राजमा चावल.
Dal chawal, rajma chawal. Okay. Favorite actor or actress? Or both?
Something.
Or both?
My favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay.
And not in the all that hanky happy movies.
Okay.
In the serious notes.
Okay.
Alap was a movie I liked his best.
Okay.
Most of people haven't read about.
Very old one. Yeah.
The old one, but a very good.
Okay.
It's one of the best. Then like Nana Patekar also for few of the things.
Okay. Okay. Very good,
Shah
sir.
Rukh Khan otherwise because DDLJ came उसको देख के आशिकी शुरू हुई थी.
Trendy, yeah, of course, sir.
But Shah Rukh Khan is one guy you're talking about it, na? He who has made his mark over there from a zero
Correct.
is the boss. So it's like the conviction.
Correct. Correct.
If you are convinced, you are, मतलब, know what you can do, you can conquer the world.
Yes.
Never
Very
second
true.
doubts.
He's the king of
Obviously,
what he is
he has
doing.
made a mark.
Correct. Correct.
From a zero, from a no nepotism, nothing. And
Nothing.
he
And
has done-
he's worked hard for it.
He's worked hard.
He's worked hard.
Really hard for it.
Yeah.
People, whatever they critics might say. But that was the guy who has to like look forward to.
Correct.
Amitabh Bachchan for instance, he was almost leaving the thing and suddenly the Zanjeer happened.
Yes.
And afterward he was being so poised in the area. But the Amitabh Bachchan is always like a failure when you're having, na?
Correct.
There was a bad time in 90s when everything went
The
wrong for
ABCL
him.
lost and everything.
But he was composed. He never bitched about anybody. He never blamed anybody. He just kept quiet, waited for his chance. And when his chance came, he banged again.
Correct.
But that's the best thing he can do, acting. So he did that.
Correct.
So this is like some real life lessons.
Correct. Very true, sir. Favorite singer?
Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar. Okay.
And Jagjit Singh, never to forget about.
Jagjit Singh. Okay, so you're fond of ghazals also.
Very.
Very fond of ghazals. Okay. What is your favorite hobby other than surgery, of course?
Traveling and reading.
Traveling and reading?
Reading
What?
mostly
What?
nowadays like about the financials.
Okay.
One thing I always think that the doctors were now taught about the financials.
Poor investors.
Poor investors and other were also poor planners.
Correct. Correct.
It's like कि okay पहले तो पैसा आएगा नहीं आएगा. Always think about it.
आ गया तो क्या करना है?
अच्छा FD करवा दो या property.
PPF कर दो, property
Nothing
ले लो.
different.
Correct.
So my brother-in-law, my Jiju, he's a finance guy. I'm Ahmedabad.
Okay.
So
Okay.
did his like marketing, and he was the one who told me
Correct.
that if you have a good idea, finance is the last thing you should worry about.
Okay.
Finances came if an idea is good and you can nurture it.
Hmm.
So that's why I always said कि हाँ finances आ जाएंगे तो उसमें ना that you have to learn about finances, how to manage it.
Correct.
Earning money is difficult, and investing that money and earning from that invested money is even more difficult.
Hmm.
So it's always like that. So always plan about your retirement. Mine is कि after 60, if I'm going to sleep like that, so I need a certain income. That income you must think in mind कि हाँ आपको करना है, so that you can live your life like this.
Like
और आप
throughout your
happy
life. Yeah. Very good, sir. Very true. Who's your best friend?
myself.
Okay.
I'm the most critical of me.
Okay.
I
Okay.
keep on मतलब, fighting with myself about the things.
Okay.
So I never believed in the God the way you believe. It's like God is inside me. So मैं उससे भी लड़ता रहता हूँ, उसको गालियाँ देता हूँ, वो मुझे गालियाँ देता है.
Okay.
He helps me always.
Okay.
So the other way, there are many, मतलब, there are very few friends of mine who are very close to me and like they were there from inception. So those people are there. मतलब, were not relevant otherwise also, but they were the one whom I can count on. If there's something happens, they'll be beside.
They'll be there with you. Okay, sir. Your least and most favorite subject in school?
My favorite was maths.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, very few surgeons would name maths as their favorite subject.
Maths was favorite because
Okay.
maths always like inspires you.
Mind-boggling.
साला कैसा होगा ये question कैसे निकलेगा?
Intriguing tha, okay. And your
Physics and my worst was social studies.
social studies, I think many people hate it. Okay, social
मैंने
studies.
बहुत मेहनत की 10th में still remember कि हाँ मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ूंगा सब कुछ करूंगा.
Hmm.
I gave board exam and I was confident my marks at least will be I'll score 85.
Okay.
So the marks came, the digits were correct, but the places were
58 ho gaya. Okay. Social studies?
But third one was English. I was never fond of literature.
Okay, okay.
So my 12th mark sheet was like 98, 99, 97, 98 and 54. That was
Oh,
English.
English. Oh,
My
okay.
handwriting was pathetic.
Okay, okay. All right. So, best oral surgeon you know?
Best oral surgeon. No, they like actually has tried. Well, there are few things, people whom I like seen and grow.
Sir, it's rapid fire, sir.
Sorry. Dr. Saidul Islam,
Okay.
Dr. Vijay Deshmukh, Dr. Ajay Rai Chaudhary,
Okay.
and the first one, Dr. Sanjeev Bhatia.
Okay.
Though I haven't seen his surgeries much,
Okay.
but he's
You
the
look
one
up
who
to him.
inspired me.
Okay. So then, 3 words that describe you as a person.
Hardworking and
Okay.
sometimes working hardly,
So most of the times, I'm very sure about it.
and honest with myself,
Okay.
and trying to honest with the other people's also.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Very good, sir. Very nice. Quickly, choices then. If you have to choose a patient who's very fearful and numb throughout the procedure, or a patient who can't stopping to you throughout the procedure,
Can't stop talking to me.
one of them. You have to choose one of them. One
First
who's absolutely quiet and just
That
चुपचाप बैठा
now,
हुआ है.
because those people are actually very afraid from inside.
Yeah. Very afraid.
So those are the people like more difficult patient, because sometimes I recently also had a patient. I was doing surgery and everything was fine. The patient saying I'm fine, and suddenly he went to a major syncope. Because this thing I had to revive him. I was like about to take him to hospital, but he survived otherwise. So those are the people who are always afraid. You have to make them comfortable,
Make them
so
talk
that
to
they
him.
can cooperate with you.
Correct.
Because those are the people like they're not opening your mouth and everything, and you have to slowly. And when the fear is gone, na, so they are the one who are like most respectful and most thankful to you.
Correct. Very true.
Because
So
those are
who
the
would you
people-
choose? A patient who is very talkative, irritatingly talkative throughout the procedure, क्योंकि उसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, या फिर ऐसा पेशेंट जो
ये वाला first, these are the first patient. The other one I can just shut him up now. I open your mouth. How can you talk now? Just keep quiet. But this person, I have to make his mouth open and ask him to talk.
Correct. Okay. 10 small cases with double the amount of money, or one big case with half of the amount of money.
10 years ago, the first thing, 10 years ago, 10
Okay.
cases was a big amount
Okay,
of money.
okay.
Now, the one case, even if it's free of charge.
Okay. All right. Okay.
But the basic thing that's that first, like for me, it's like yeah, I have to earn money.
Earn
also,
money. Okay.
And you have to headache cancer also. So that's one thing I told myself. कि बॉस मैंने अभी कैंसर कर लिया, सब कर लिया. My children will curse me. I could not give them a proper education. Amount of money required. So let's earn the money and start learning cancer about at the age of 45, what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
So it's like always, मतलब you have to prioritize. I'm not ashamed of it. कि I wanted money, so I used to do
Of
small
course.
cases also.
बिल्कुल.
But always big case now, because I can take out my time and do that big case of to quench my surgical thirst.
Correct. Very good, sir. A patient who is dumb and doesn't ask anything, or a patient who's inquisitive and asks a lot of questions about the procedure, who would you choose?
The second one.
Okay. You're not feared of answering his question.
Because that patient is fine, because you can tell them about the pros and cons.
Correct.
They ask me what will happen if the fail. Why do you have to talk about the failure also? You have a plan A, plan B, plan C. Mine is plan A. Plan B, I won't think, because plan B means you are thinking about failure right now. So it's mine also. In your case also, when we did, we had a plan. Okay, I'm going to do like this. Let's stick with the plan. Try to be. If failure may happen, then think about the other things also.
Correct.
The dumb patient, it's simple. You do something bad happen, they'll start blaming you. Because they never wanted to understand before, they don't want to understand now.
Correct.
So that leaves a bad taste in the mouth.
Correct.
It's like you always, the patient should know the pros and cons.
Correct.
You're not God.
Of course.
Even though God made mistakes. But the thing being, when you are doing something, tell the patient, okay, the problem may happen. But people ask you, what is the guarantee? You must have seen. So I say, okay, boss, you get the angioplasty done, you get a stent done. After 3 years, you're again on the table getting 2 more stents done. After 5 years, you're getting CABG done. Did anybody have gave you a guarantee? So it's simple. If some problem happen, we'll see.
Correct. Very true. Okay. What do you enjoy more? I mean, explaining a procedure to a set of dental students, or giving a presentation to dental professionals who are like your colleagues and all? What do you enjoy more?
I think both are equal.
Okay.
For being consulting practice, so it's always like you have to tell the other person what you can do, because I'm depending on the cases for the what other, like you have selected a case and you're talking to me. Till the time you think this case is doable, you won't consult me. So I have to teach you to open your higher horizons also, because in your practice and you're not much into CDE and otherwise. So sometimes it's like what happened to orthodontic surgery in northern India. Everybody thinks take out 4, take the teeth out, but they're thinking about the bone. So you have to teach your doctors over there.
Correct.
Because this is a better way to do it.
Correct. So you enjoy both equally.
These students is always a passion. I always love teaching.
Correct. So many oral surgeons, so many prosthodontists are under sir and learning from him every day, day in and day out. All right, sir. So one advice you would want to give to all the aspirants out there who are, looking up to you, looking up to becoming an oral surgeon like you, what is that one advice you would want to
But
give?
more like the other leaders whom I look forward to. Go over there. Don't make your like choices small like me only.
Arey nahi, sir.
Go for the first thing is like passion. Do whatever it takes to follow your passion. Money don't think about. In our right now the problem is ki at the age of 17, you're a guy who opted for BDS. There's a guy who opted for like maybe engineering or something else. After 5 years, you're on road earning nothing. He might have land up a job earning something for himself. You do your PG, after 3 years again you're on road earning nothing. He might have gone up over there. Or it was simple, somebody open a grocery store also. In 10 years he established it.
Establish a mall out of it.
By the time they are established, now you are actually starting it.
Correct.
So now your time has come now. So buy it for your time. Equip yourself with the best possible knowledge. Follow your passion and success will come.
So these are some very, very powerful words from sir, and thank you so much, sir,
Please,
for
my
all your
pleasure, my
time.
pleasure.
And I'm
Sorry for pursuing me for so long. I could not do it in between. Whereas आलसी हो गया बीच में लैपटॉप.
no, sir is really busy all the time, and is a roaring maxillofacial surgery practice. In spite of not having one center, he is associated with many centers out there, and I'm sure जिसने भी आज sir को सुना है and you've heard him, see, I'm sure you've learned a lot of things from his life, and he's been very truthful and very honest about all the things in his life. Those who can take the most out of what sir is saying and make your careers as oral surgeons.
You asked me many questions. I have one question for you also now.
Okay.
And those people also for you also
Okay.
to think about.
Yeah, of course, sir.
So it was like I told you when I started, there was no money.
Correct.
So I could not open my practice.
Yes, sir.
Now I sometimes think about making my center of own. I talk to you also about it, buying a place. I bought a place also.
Okay.
So okay, I'll make a practice. Now I know my kids are not coming into this practice.
Correct.
So there is a doubt always ki, okay, I
What
spent
next?
another 15, 20 or $1.52 million into that and like build up a practice and start running it and leaving this all consulting. Or invest that money in an FD and enjoy the interest. And,
Okay.
if you can answer this answer, I think your fundamentals for your life will be clear. Think about it. Now,
I mean, is that a question for us? Like, or for you?
For you guys only.
Acha, okay.
Just give me how the people think about it.
So I think if it's a surgeon like you who is very passionate, I think most of the people who reach your stage, who has that much, I don't think you can leave work anytime. I don't think you will be able to ever sit down and not operate. So I don't think you can ever just invest and not do anything. I mean,
just invest, like keep doing what you are doing right now.
Keep doing it and
दोनों हाथों में लड्डू.
अपने center में करें चाहे किसी के center में करें. I don't think you can ever sit down and like not do anything.
That's for sure.
So that's how I see you doing it. हमारे बारे में हमें सोचना पड़ेगा maybe. But
Just be passionate about what you do.
Very
Money
true, sir.
will definitely come. Don't think about money first.
Yeah.
Don't see the patient when it comes to you. इससे कितना पैसा मिलेगा? Because those things are wrong. मतलब फिर ना you're talking about the money only. जैसे you're talking about botox कर रहे हैं, अच्छा कमा रहे हैं. But your aim is exactly. At the end of the day, ना I am my best friend. At the end of the day, you are going to bed with a clear conscience कि आपने किसी का जानबूझ के गलत नहीं किया and you earned your bread well. So that's the most satisfying for me.
Very true, sir.
So that is one question. That's one simple answer for that. मतलब whatever, there are many people, okay, they'll do whatever it takes to grab some money. Not like that. मतलब be passionate about your work. You'll get everything slowly. You won't get time.
To earn out of it. to like enjoy out of that earned money maybe sometimes.
Surgery, I read somewhere, I think, I made myself, like after doing a PG, it takes first 20 years to know when to operate. Because whatever comes your way, you just keep cutting and doing it. The next 20 years to learn when not to operate because you have learned your mistakes, seen your mistakes.
Correct.
And then you're a good surgeon, but you're too old to operate.
Correct.
So
Okay.
keep operating, keep working.
Very true.
Keep
sir.
enjoying what you do. That's the best thing.
Yes.
And definitely, if you ask me PG or no PG, definitely PG, yes. Definitely, whatever branch you like, don't go by the market.
Correct.
Simple.
Very true.
Your time will come.
आपका time भी आएगा, just like sir is saying.
बिल्कुल आएगा.
All right. So thank you so much, sir. Thank
Thanks
you
a lot
once
for having
again.
me here. Like, reliving my old days, qualities and everything. Thanks a lot to you also.
Sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.